Okay, so let's start discussing these modules that I've been mentioning all throughout this whole classroom training here. So I've gone ahead and I've added all the modules into the left side navigation, and I'm just going to create a video for each one, but I'm going to open up assignments first. Let's go ahead and go to assignments, and I'll describe them as we go through them. Okay, here is the assignments module, and you'll just see create new and settings here. And these are current assignments. View past assignments is a little link here. And it says there are no current assignments, then perpetual assignments, and there are no perpetual assignments. So there's a lot of scrunched up headings going on here, but don't worry about those yet. This assignments module is actually used for you to actually post your assignments for your students to visit your classroom page and view the assignments, and they can also upload the assignment straight to you right from this module. So let's go ahead and I'll click Create New, and I'll get this assignment a title. We'll just say assignment number 1. Don't worry about the settings or this author here, but we have the option to enable homework upload. And when that's enabled, you'll see that this assignment has a form on it with this requires a first name, email, a description, and there's also a file upload feature that'll actually upload a file and email it right to the designated email here. It says send homework to email, and the email will more often than not be the teacher's email. But if this isn't your email, you can go ahead and change it. Okay, there's also the option for a thumbnail if you want to place a thumbnail onto this assignment. Then we have the assignment duration, which is, it's starting today on the 26th, and this is due, say, by Friday. Let's go ahead and change that to the 29th. Okay, and then this little editor here, we'll see this in Pages as well. But this little editor, we're able to place in, do problems 1 through 7. Let's say problems on page 9, something along those lines. Or you can actually start typing out your equations here. Let's say x and then superscript squared, unsuperscript x squared equals y, something like that. But after you've gone ahead and filled this out however you'd like, go ahead and click Publish Now. And we're going to see this due date, November 29th, 2019, Assignment 1. And I can go ahead and click into that. And here is that description, do problems 1 through 7 on page 9, x squared equals y. The date it was assigned, the date it's due, and here's that upload homework or assignment here. First name, last name, email address, a description. They can choose a file from their local machine, and when they click upload homework, it'll be sent straight to the email address that was specified there. Now let me go ahead and click edit here and disable this, publish now, and we'll just see this on, we'll just see the description here. Now let me go back to the home page and let's add an assignments widget. Okay, so now the assignments widget is populated with this assignment 1, do problems 1 through 7 on page 9, x squared equals y there. And they can actually click this to be taken right to that assignment there. And this backpack little clip art here is just the standard thumbnail that goes along with it. So this is how the assignments module works. It's all fairly straightforward in terms of what you can do with it. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to come in contact with one of our support specialists.